Hey guys, in this video, I'm walking you through the new setup process on Buy Me a Coffee, so you can get your profile up and running fast, start receiving support from fans, and monetize your content without any confusion. First off, go to buymeacoffee.com and sign up with your email. The new interface is cleaner and easier to navigate, making it simple to create your page in minutes. Next, add your profile details, a profile picture, short bio, and links to your social media or content platforms. Then set up your coffee tiers with fun names and perks, like $5 for a thank you note or $20 for a personalized video. Here's a pro tip. Use their updated customization tools to match your branding and make your page feel personal and professional. Don't forget, connect your PayPal or Stripe account under the Payouts section so you can actually receive money. Also, check out the analytics dashboard to see how your page is performing and who your top supporters are. Should setting up on Buy Me a Coffee feel tricky? Not anymore. The new process makes it easier than ever to start getting paid doing what you love. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know. What should we cover next?